You can't fall asleep. Are you turning from the left to the right, and 1,000 thoughts are spinning around and around in your head? And have you already tried the classical method? Counting sheep doesn't work for you. Don't wonder. I can't fall either asleep when there are so many balls of wool with their noises. Meh, meh, meh. How can you even think about falling asleep with those noises? So come on, let the balls of wool graze in peace and go for a walk with your thoughts. Where did the one thought come from, and where is it going to? They appear and disappear, and yet they all find the right way. Do you lag behind one or the other? Okay, but don't hold on to them anymore. Whether it was 1 or 1,000 of the thoughts or ideas they passed you, it is like a fog. It's coming and going, coming and fading away. And what is in the space in between? Observe. Where does a thought come from? And where is it going to? Listen closely to the moments of the in-between. Bring your whole focus to the gaps, to the silence that arises. Let the moments of the in-between get bigger and bigger, as big that you can't reach them anymore. Let the thoughts be like the fox fading into the sky. Try. It's so simple.